165 hours in 1 year. Think about if you study about the history of musicians, of composers, how much.
I had watched a news report of Arnold Schwarzenegger, and let's see. So I got that song from Disney, Fantasia, and that is Paul Abram Dukas, Sorcerer's Apprentice. It's supposed to be the clip. I don't know why the clip is not working. That's my stomach growling again. Okay. Alright, so I'm glad that one of the sides did attach. I just tried Real Truck shocks. So that's how it is on one side. I'm going to put it on the others. And it should work virtually as just a regular truck. Should be like real stable and everything. Hope I don't forget to put my headphones in. Let me go ahead. I can have this on my head, but I'm just gonna set it on the ground for now. I'm gonna put it here like this. I'm gonna put it in position. Where to put it. Like that side's been tightened. Let me tighten this side. I want it to be flat. I want it to be flat where it'll stay up on its own. If one falls, the other's going to fall. Okay, let me pop the stand. There, perfect. It's standing on its own. I can even put this on. Wow. Oh no, this is so awesome. So I'll be pulling something. Let me go ahead and open the door. I'm gonna put this in my pocket. Okay, so I have the phone on my pants. Probably hard to see. First person is an idea here. A little bit off center. I'm gonna stop and show you a video.